I'm sure you've heard the news. Stress and burnout are on the rise. Let's change that together. First, recognize the signs. Feeling tired, irritable, and can't focus, that's stress talking. Next, set boundaries between work and personal life. Clear zones for work and relaxation are key. Prioritize self-care. A good book, a hobby, or a nice bath can do wonders. Remember, self-care is a must, not a luxury. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation. They help you stay calm, get enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours each night to recharge your body and mind. Exercise regularly. A brisk walk or a workout session can boost your mood and relieve tension. Build a support network. Talk to friends and family. Sharing your feelings helps. And if it gets too much, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Therapists and psychiatrists can offer the right support. By following these tips, you can manage stress and prevent burnout. Remember, your well-being is a priority. Subscribe for more tips on leading a healthier, happier life. Stay tuned.